Adam here. Today we have George trying to get his football from the bus. Yes, that was me after I kicked it from left. And here we have George trying to get it out. Right, we're going to leave it here and then I'm going to try and help, I think. So I'm going to keep...
I'm legally blind.
Oh yeah, George got it out. Oh. There's your hand.
There.
There's your hand. It's a football, right? That's an important thing.
Oh,
George, I think you did good. Well done. Now let's go back inside. Bye guys.